Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Vero Beach South Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. It is a long-distance move when employing the 3 Movers' services for your new location is over 100 miles from your current location. A moving plan is important as it serves as a guide throughout the move. When drawing a plan, we put into consideration your time frame, schedule, and preference. Our movers pay attention to every detail. They commit themselves to work with you throughout the entire moving process. Our movers treat your belongings with care when packing and loading them into the trucks. Our trucks are perfect for carrying heavy items. Your furniture, appliances, and other items are safe in them. Our drivers are professionals. They drive carefully and follow every regulation guiding the highways. They also get to your new location on time. We bring all of your belongings to the destination in good condition. We also have an excellent insurance policy that covers the risk. If you are planning a local move, we are also the perfect option. We are the top choice among the locals because of our timely service. If you need to carry out an urgent move, we are competent enough to pull it off at no extra cost. Our services are also the cheapest you can find. Our hourly rate is about $30 to $40. We provide top-notch services at a budget-friendly price. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Vero Beach South moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.